Has someone threatened to file a lawsuit against your trust, or have they actually filed that lawsuit? Let's talk about what the trustee should do. In this video, I'm going to discuss the trustee's responsibility and what they should do where a lawsuit is threatened or actually filed against the trust. The trustee has a duty to take reasonable action to defend against claims that may cause a loss to the trust. This is the counterpoint to the trustee's duty to enforce claims. If the trust is being sued, then the trustee has to evaluate whether it's worth defending against the claim. In other words, the trustee is going to have to decide what it's likely to cost to defend against this claim and how likely the claim is to succeed. The idea is you don't want a trustee spending more money to defend a claim than the trustee would pay to settle the claim. The one thing the trustee can't do is simply ignore the claim, because that's guaranteed to cause a loss to the trust. If this is your situation, then feel free to contact us. If you're not yet ready, then take a look at our trust litigation playlist, which will give you plenty of information about the entire trust litigation process, including what damages may be available to you. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the subscribe bell, leave us a comment. We'll be glad to respond if you do, and give us a thumbs up.